Let's check out what we got cooking for you today on the Midnight Farmhouse. It's hashtag LastChanceCookOff. Hi, welcome to Midnight Farmhouse, where I do cooking and baking from scratch, canning and dehydrating videos. If that sort of thing interests you, please hit the subscribe button. If you find value in this video, hit the thumbs up. Today, we're taking part in the Last Chance Cook-Off. It's a collaboration with 99 channels trying to get together and just beat the algorithm and show you new channels that you might not ever see if you're not part of this collaboration. I think it's a wonderful idea by Mitchell Hendrickson at Hendrickson Family Farm. And also hosting this collaboration is Tony from Kettle and Dale from Acre Family Farms. Now, I don't usually barbecue outside or anything cook outside. My husband usually starts the charcoal for me, and he usually cooks, which is weird because he never cooks inside unless I'm flat out, and then I'm praying that I can get something to eat. With that being said, I'm going to show you what I got my husband for his birthday one year, and we love it. It is the Red Dragon charcoal chimney starter. It gets your charcoal red hot within 7 minutes, which makes it great for a farmer who doesn't come home till 10 o'clock at night. And I'm going to show you how long it actually took us to get them started. This is the last chance cook-off, so we're going to use our vegetables because it's the last chance we're going to eat fresh from our own garden. So this recipe I just threw together a couple times the last couple of years, and we really enjoy it. So I'm just going to chop my cabbage here up. In the sections and toss it in. I chose the red onion just because it was something we had on hand, but you can easily just use any kind of onion you have growing in your garden or you have in your pantry. Sometimes they're easier to peel after you cut them, and maybe not. Let's talk about Last Chance Cook-Off. There are multiple live giveaways throughout the month, and you want to be commenting on each video for your chance to win one of these lovely prizes. I can't tell you how many different prizes they're giving away throughout the month, and on October 2nd they'll be having a grand prize drawing that you don't want to miss. All the details of the giveaways will be in the description box for you. Throw that in there. You don't want anything that has seeds. That is only for baking. That is my rule when it comes to zucchini. Then we're gonna add some bacon, because in my book, everything is good with bacon. Maybe a half a pack, which is a pound. We're gonna add some ring bologna, that is hickory smoked garlic, without cutting ourselves. Probably should just cut it this way. That way the wrapper falls off. Then we're gonna add a little bit of oil, just so nothing burns. And we're gonna add some farm dust. It has a little bit of kosher salt, sea salt, onion, garlic, black pepper, fennel, celery, marjoram, thyme, rosemary, savory, sage, oregano, and basil. We're gonna put more garlic in it because who doesn't love more garlic? And it's good for you. You want to toss, combine. Tomatoes would be good in this. I think I might just go and get a couple, because I'm pretty sure I've put tomato in this. Anything that goes from your garden, we would put in this. All right, went out to the garden and it's starting to thunder and lightning. So this will be interesting. My husband loves his tomatoes raw. So we'll just toss that in there. And we're just gonna dump this in. And toss a little bit better. And throw some thicker pieces out of the way. And separate this bacon a little bit more. Looks good enough for the grill, don't you think? So we got it at 250 right now. So we're gonna do this low and slow while the thunder rolls in. So I'm gonna go to the barn. Yes, we heard you. And hopefully feed the cows. And this is maybe less than 30 seconds left after I just stopped filming. It's starting to rain. All right, half hour later, we're down to 150 degrees in the rain. Look at that. I'm gonna go get a spatula and
Where's your burgers?
Well, this has been an delightful evening. What a holiday. Happy Labor Day, everybody. So, I think it rained at least 75 minutes. And we're starting to grill again. We are not the Food Network. Let me get that straight right now. Even though people say, I'm ready for Food Network. No, I'm not. So, let's get back to grilling, shall we? And that's all the rain we got was 0.15 of an inch. But currently, it's the 9th day of the month, and we've had 4 inches since then. Who knew?
I think it's done.
Only 2.5 hours later?
Whole day. For hours, years, days. You got to play here. More?
Just a little bit. More bacon, please. It's all right there. That was my scoop.
Your scoop.
The flavor of the charcoal just is the key element of the flavor of this dish. It is so good. I fixed you a plate when you're stopping by. Thanks so very much for watching, and if you've made it to the end of this video, I'm sure you're loving the content of this channel. May I suggest you watching this next? Take care and God bless.